in terms of a Tibetan national consciousness, the Tibetan political consciousness that we have today is completely different from the Tibetan national consciousness back in the 18th century or the 19th century. There was these hundreds of years in modern Tibet before 1913 when Tibet was factionalized into various different pieces, and that kind of problem is sort of inconceivable in today's world because of the national consciousness that has sort of percolated thanks to His Holiness, and also largely thanks to the Tibetans inside Tibet and their resistance, including the self-immolation, the chapter of self-immolations. One of the highest achievements and results of the self-immolations has been not only to make the Chinese government exposed, but also to unite the Tibetan people in a way that we have never seen before.